2 to power a plus 8 to power b is equals to 80. This can be written as 2 to power a plus it is equals to 2 to power 3 to power b is equals to 80, or 2 to power a plus 2 to power 3b is equals to 80. Now take 2 to power a as common, so it will become 1 plus 2 to power 3b divided by 2 to power a equals to 80 is equals to 5 multiply 16, which is equals to 2 to power a 1 plus 2 to power 3b minus a is equals to 5 multiply 16. As we know that 2 to power n is always going to be an even number. So by comparison, we can say that 2 to power a is equals to 16 and 2 to power a equals to 2 to power 4. So a equals to 4. And from here, 1 plus 2 to power 3b minus a is equals to 5, or 2 to power 3b minus a equals to 4, and 2 to power 3b minus a equals to 2 to power 2, or 3b minus a is equals to 2, and a equals to 4. So 3b equals to 6 and b equals to 2. So our answers are a equals to 4 and b equals to 2 for this equation.